Hi, today I decided that I was going to do something different and do a fundamental paper education TLS for no bloody reason. But why not? Okay. Sorry about that. Miss Emily B. We don't know much about her. Mr. W. A. Miss As well, if I see one of my friends in my comment section saying the thing that I said, we'll put it there. I love Miss Fable. Miss Circle's good. Miss Bloomy. Why does Miss Bloomy kind of look like one of those Japanese Ula girls? Claire. Put her in B. Angle. We'll put him in B. Bubble. Lana. Don't know much about Lana. Abby. Why has he got a girl name if he's a guy? But it's 2023. 2024. Holy moly, where I went back here. Anyways, Robbie. I do not know anything about Robbie. Riley. I don't know who this is. Actually, no, I do know who she is. But it's just not a character that comes straight to my mind. Ruby. We'll put it there. No, we'll put it before Ruby. Skell? Is it Skell or Shell? I'm pretty sure it's Skell. Anyways, Petunia, Lizzie, Kevin, Cubby. I love Cubby. Oliver, A tier. No, he's better than. Nah, he's not better than Miss Circle. Edward, Zip. I love Zip. And then just go be with your boyfriend. Okay, how the hell do I do this? If I okay, you can be better than Miss Circle for now. Anyways. 15 likes, not to smash it fast.